i ntirho wa vona sweswi va chekeni va xavisa mukulungwana lava va xavisa mukulungwana the twins leswi va swi endlaka leswaku ku xavisa mukulungwana leswi hi yo mukulungwana straight like now look at what they earn
Vakhandli Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka u nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni swiyenge swa Vakhandli Group swi katsa leswi muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand u kuma tende 100 wa switulu mobile toilet basic sound system tihunyi na 5000 rand muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena u joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandligroup.co.za rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandligroup.co.za Vakhandli Group we are family.
Aye, mina nina n'wina hi ta kuma verse ya hina ka Tipisalema 73 verse 1 to 2. Xikwembu xi komba vaIsrayele vunene bya xona lebyikulu. Xi komba ni hinkwavo va timbilu leto tenga. Kambe mina ndzi lavile ku hambuka endleleni. Eku fambeni ka mina ndzi lo pona ku rheta ndziwa i Jaimito i mfana wa le Msambikani i Mhayivava jaro kula himba chatano na xiti yimani mi amukelaka the channel that matters the channel that matters the most aku hambukwata yeyi walava a wu lavi mfana wa certificate ya wena i ta ku ya wena i mani mi amukela ka the only channel that matters to watch i mani wa leswi mhaka ku na mkhuhlwani video leyi no swi boha ku ni yi endla so no boya ka ku neyinwa i stone bari ya pfuna loko swi ka mkhuhlwani lava ya vulavula hi the twins also ya vulavula na hi Philani i swa nkoka ngopfu ku ya vulavula hi this thing mara xa ku sungula xa koho na u teka nkarhi lowu ne ni congratulate na swi twisisa ku why va Beni Mayangani va rile loko va nga win ti award na yi twisisa ku why va ngumngumu va tsala mapapila va tsala MLFM loko ti award va nga ti kumi and now I understand hi mhaka ku ni kuma joy yin'wana yo tala ngopfu loko ni kuma leswi a hi xo sungula lexi and ndzhaku na ta tisana lexa xin'wana ni hi leswi swimbirhi ka swona this certificate yi award ka mina personally the intelligence that I have or the work that I put in for Vakhandli. This is a clear demonstration that stay true to yourself, be yourself, don't be bended like unga tukumu over amumba tiya ngwana sisi if you believe in something never stop believing even if you don't know kuri vantra we ria pfuleka kwini i xinyami la ndlwini la humbambambambela ku xipfalweni ukwini kumbe switch hi kwini swi nga ndlo fika u klika switch la u kuma light u nga swi vona ka u klika yo kumbe u tikuma u khome loko u pfula xipfalo u nga swi vona ku xipfalo xi kwini hi mhaka ku i xinyami lexikulu a wu voni this certificate was awarded on April 19, 2024. A xi tisiwa ka mina given Ngoveni i vito ra mina n'wana mi nga ta ri tiva se mi ta ri tiva mhaka ya certificate lexi certificate lexi it says Vakhandli Group we are family. Vakhandli Group certificate of recognition is proudly presented to Given Ngoveni for his outstanding service tireless effort and constant support for Vakhandli's country group's visibility and awareness project in Q1 2024. Signed by Malapani, CEO. I hardly talk about the CEO of this company because we often don't care about the strategist, and like, who cares about the... I can tell you don't know the CEOs of so many companies. This other company that is run by people I can't mention, you don't know the CEO, so we don't care about these people. But I want to say it even here on camera, because I'm very grateful that he trusted me with his project. Like the content, that the things that I speak about here, so there's no vulavula ku hi swona hinkwawo masiku. A swilo leswaku swi nga xavisa to a point and swi nga attracta ku to a point ku nga tlhe u kuma na leswi n'hweti ntswalo ta xikomba mi ti tiva. Ni vula ku swi possible, swa koteka, a hi tirheni, and I'm very grateful and ntsakini no ka ni nga ha tsakanga leswaku ndzi ti kombela ka n'wina, mara mbilu ya mina yi tele ntsako. And swi endleka hi vanhu vo fana na n'wina, mi like ku ti-video ta mina, you subscribe, you share on your WhatsApp loko ti mi tsakisini, van'wani you do all of these things just to see me growing. And I want to dedicate this award. I don't want to mention name, wala ku ngwara hatima se ni rivala affectionate, mavona kumbe ni rivala xivumbiwa kumbe ni rivala man, but genuinely I want to dedicate it to you guys for the love and support that you have shown me all along. Through ups and downs, you've been there. This is the second thing. That's why now when I speak why look the award, why? Because why? I was happy. I even broke into tears when I received this, because when I went there, he didn't tell me what I was going there for. So I had so many thoughts, what is the meeting for? But I knew it was never anything close to termination, because I knew I'm doing the great work. I was just not sure, is he satisfied with the work that I put in? Mara this is Shula Sean. You on a channel you sunguna le, vana certificate. Na di what. Akuna channel kaga. Unkwa vavutsini. Akuna channel yaku utaikuma irina swaso. Ayina lava. La yasta ula hele maku. La hele ka jaro kula imbacha. La hele ka hambo kwata. La yikona tikwenda certificate. Yikona tikwenda the recognition. Me n'wana sirana sira, me n'wana wa le Bushbuck Ridge, me wa le ka million. A ku na munhu wo duma ka million, mara vona mfana wa me. Nta va setela n'wananga swi ta lunga, chongolanyana n'wananga. But anyways, I vulavuleni hi the key factors here. Philani ran a campaign ya ku Cape Town, ya Xikorokoro, to show that you may have difficulties, ungaba urina kutsandzeka ko karhi, mara you utafika la uya ku kona. A very good initiative. He started asking donations from people. Kuna mulanga wabusa kahle hakela accommodation kumbe akunika mali ka xavela vanhu lava tuche. This person was asking genuine questions. Philani came and fight back to that person, to fight with that person, I'm already sorted, the blah 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 blah. The person was just asking, he donated la yin imanwe angalabe ukutuba ku mali ya queen, right? Let's just decode this thing. Look, decode shilo. Coding is to bring things together and shilo shimo. So when you decode, it was tanta. So I can't in this thing. When Philani announced this thing, the bank account that was displayed on the poster is his personal bank account. With that personal bank account, you can't hold him accountable. Number two, Philani has been campaigning for AADP. If that thing was so genuine, AADP would have jumped in and promote that thing in a sense of campaigning, because in the elections, they didn't do that. Why? Because they know it might backfire. because Philani, right? Philani look run until with his personal bank account. It means Michela Malka bank account there, ne? Lo Michela Malka bank account there, yaka personally. Why didn't he start a foundation? Because Kusunguna, a non-profit organization in South Africa, takes 3 days. He has been announcing for that thing for so long, and then nothing happened. He didn't open a non-profit organization because why? It's a scheme of now keep turn. You can't. Or not donate away. I also still donate the line. That's why that question you irritate. And now why look one because we're running a campaign to help people. So I'm not that much comfortable. The problem that we have as Gaza people in Makayago, we have people who so much entitlement. It take the ordinary fans. People to support us with whatever we do online or to push content, to do all of these things. We take advantage of the fans. Like, those people are fighters on the ground. They are hustling and they take the little they have because they love you. You're abusing them. But I've demonstrated this pattern plan. I problem Fana CEO ya Vakhandli. He just started his own company. Simple. She's simple like that. And look, also a non-profit organization, many people would have put money into it. Mara melishnistiwa guys. With the fence kolota. Like they are celebrities. You abuse people. It's like celebrity they are not lazy. It's celebrity. Look, what push a celebrity? Ufano strong and Muka Michada la, we send 100 rand, 200 rand, 300 rand. Why? Because we're fan. Simple as that's the most irritating part. Why? They take advantage of their fans. It's a totally different thing if Mina no kombela mal kaman. For example, no kombela mal kamara team. Ibrahim, I'm not treating her as a fan. As much as she love what I do, Mar no treat her as what? As a friend. It's no kombela mal magaku ita ilokarna yo adanza. Futika kawan satin go kombela kanuno ya mateu. Simple as that. Mar, we should stop these things of abusing our fans, abusing the people that love us, love our content. No, what for no quarter when? Ukwatela you know what kaban. Because scam is find out scam is this things of misleading people, taking the little that they have. And now, Father God, I want to thank you for this opportunity. Yes, Father God, I want to thank you for certificate of account. Wow, sweet. Give me. Ask us for that. So that is the problem that we have as guys. Let us not abuse our fans. Let us not take advantage of our fans. Let us not take offense if they raise genuine questions. We should stop this thing. And now the advice at the fans, Anobana Jela got to celebrate to Kumakman. Work for your money. Usamtaga Gashima Pamenshon Kombelamin Matanand. He works. He tells you, come support me. Tana mitantaka event me. You are working, my guy. You are working. Come support me. Come buy tickets. Go enjoy yourself. I saw one ticket. What we are doing with Lankambi. Oh, we have Jimenus. I shall ticket. If I was one of TV, she said. Or the Philani never live once. Shumwan is now that address and another channel video separate. You know, my guy, if you want to look at South Africa, if you want to get this adopt a strategy at the twins. I need to man like Ngirika Nitsanze, Marabu gay, unge gay or swan. I want to gay swan. Never. Or gay or xiswana. Gay bya durha. Either as exist or not. I'm not on that matter now. All I'm saying, kuva gay swa durha. Look at about the twins now. Swi skime to somis. Va xavisa mkulungwana or not? We don't know. Mara, look at what they are getting now. Now they will get this national and now they will go international and to build their Triple T promotion account to get more bookings, bookings of cars and everything. Why? Because now Bafana Bamina Bashavisa Mkulungwa. Mkulungwa, let's go. So the MC le there. Lobaka Bashavisa voice lia Bashavisa Mkulungwa. The twins intirho wa vona sweswi va chekeni va xavisa mkulungwana lava va xavisa mkulungwana the twins leswi swi endlaka leswaku xavisa mkulungwana leswi hi yo mkulungwana straight like now look at what they are mastering it so well but nta mi endlela video ka yini ka nyimpi or beef how Triple T or the twins managed to succumb Gagash even at his peak. What are the MC Gaza win in Magayago? Gagashi has arrived. Why? Because he made MC, he monetized that thing so well to people want to invest in him than to invest in your favorite artist. Some fool. Wanna gay with a fool. It's gone on. Wanna gay with a fool. Utamwana gay le kwini vakumanyangatsi wena a gay xixi ukuhluphekela gay ayihlupheki kufana manyangatsi wa penga na tsamana gay yendla video imobiselo aye imanyangatsi komisa lo nga subscribe nta komela wa subscribe kwala asukujeli nje ungu subscribe gay a gay ayendli sweswo mara imano mayidzya xavisa